We're now on to question 6, and let's start off by writing down the left-hand side. So we are given 1 over cos theta minus cos theta over 1 plus sine theta. Since we are subtracting two fractions with different denominators, our aim is to simplify this so we have it as one fraction. So to do that, and I've mentioned the rule in many of the previous videos, where to get the new denominator, we multiply both denominators together. So we have cos theta times 1 plus sine theta. And to get the numerator, we are going to cross multiply. So we're going to take this denominator 1 plus sine theta and multiply it across with 1. That gives you 1 plus sine theta. Then we keep the same sign in between, so since we had a minus, we keep the minus. And we are now going to cross multiply the other way, so we have cos theta times cos theta, which gives you cos squared theta. Now in your numerator, what I need you to notice is that you've got this 1 minus cos squared theta. So those two terms together come from your identity. Sine squared theta plus cos squared theta equals 1. If we manipulate this identity, so we can keep the 1 on the right hand side, but let's take the cos squared theta over to the right, it becomes negative, and on the left we are left with sine squared theta. Now notice that what we have here on the right hand side matches those two terms. So we see that 1 minus cos squared theta is equal to sine squared theta. So in our numerator, we are going to replace those two terms with sine squared theta. Next to that, don't forget you have this plus sine theta, and we can just keep our denominator as is for now. Now in your numerator, what you notice is that both terms contain sine theta. Let's pull out sine theta as a common factor. So in the first term, you'll be left with sine theta, and in the second term, plus 1. Let's write the denominator as is. Now, something interesting and quite important that you should realize here is that this bracket, sine theta plus 1 in the numerator, and this bracket, 1 plus sine theta in the denominator, are actually the same. They both contain the same terms. So you can actually swap 1 plus sine theta around and it will be sine theta plus 1. Since they are the same, they cancel out with each other. And what we are left with is sine theta over cos theta, which is equal to tan theta, and that is equal to the right hand side. Please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more content.